Former Secretary to the Government of the Federation, SGF, Babachir Lawal, said former President Muhammadu Buhari's support is not necessary to defeat President Bola Ahmed Tinubu in the 2027 elections. In an interview, Lawal criticized Tinubu's government and said it is not helping poor people. He said those trying to get Buhari to support Tinubu again are chasing shadows. Lawal said that any true member of Buhari's old political group, the Congress for the Progressive Change, CPC, should not support Tinubu's administration. If you are a real CPC person, it will hurt to see suffering happening now. We must take action to stop a government that is making life hard for the poor, Lawal said. In the same vein, politicians like Atiku Abubakar and Nasir El-Rufai have been talking about forming a new political group to challenge Tinubu in the 2027. Some people thought Buhari supported this idea, but Lawal disagreed. He said, "We don't need Buhari's blessings, we are adults. Even if he wants to join us, we can tell him no. He's too involved in this government already," he said. With the 2027 elections coming closer, political moves are already starting. Some parties want to unite to defeat Tinubu, but some opinions are divided about what role Buhari should play. You can as well drop how you feel in the comment box section below. We'll continue to keep you updated with latest news stories. Keep watching NaijaNews TV.